Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the tyre pressure units on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The tyre pressure units can be confusing at the best of times, but if your car's units are set to a unit that you are not familiar with, it can be even more confusing. Follow the steps to learn how to change the tyre pressure units on the Seat Arona. Press the menu button to the right of the screen, then tap System. Scroll down the system settings and tap Units. Scroll down the unit settings and tap the current tyre pressure unit to the right of pressure. Tap to select the unit that you would like to use. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.